The Norwegian Lundehund, a marvel of canine evolution, stands out with its extraordinary features, including a minimum of 6 toes on each foot and remarkable flexibility that lets it spread its front legs wide and even touch its back to its head. Once utilized for puffin hunting on the remote island of Værøy, this breed has endured significant hardships, from natural disasters to a devastating distemper outbreak in the 1960s. Yet, it persists, showcasing not only its unique physical traits but also an incredible resilience, making the Norwegian Lundehund a captivating testament to the diversity and adaptability found within the world of dogs.